Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 3rd B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need any other help related to the tutor or study material or anything related to study or anything related to technical things, you can contact us also. So now here we are discussing the Jagdish Chandra Bose was a pioneer Indian scientist who is well known for his work on the wireless transmission of information using microwaves invented by Lord Rayleigh in 1897. Bose reported on his microwave experiments to the Royal Institution and other societies in England. The wavelengths he used ranged from 2.5 centimeter to 5 mm. So write the frequency and wavelength range of microwaves and also find the frequency corresponding to the wavelengths 2.5 centimeter and 5 mm. So this is the question from um, third B physics assignment. So thank you so much for watching. If you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is number is 90093682338. You can contact anytime. Thank you so much.